guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. So guys, in today's video we are going to practice Excel formulas, and can you imagine that from scratch? Yeah, we are going to practice from scratch, and I have already shared many of the lots of videos related where I have started. So guys, if you are the one who has started your journey from today, so go watch earlier video, then you will be aware of what I have practiced earlier. And today's video is all about absolute reference and relative reference and mixed reference. There are three reference guys in Excel. Okay, so without reference you can't get accurate result of or accurate sum of any things. You will get always mixed if there is lots of data you want to calculate horizontally, vertically, then somehow if you are not using absolute and reference, then you are going to mistake because it will give you the wrong result. And we are also going to learn sort and filtering. Yeah, so let's learn without having any kind of extra load on your mind. We are going to just explain our 10 to 15 minutes to have Excel knowledge, grow in your career. Guys, trust me, if you are learning Excel from scratch and going to advanced level somehow, after some days, as we are learning, we are practicing, after day we are going to learn advanced level of Excel formulas. That will not only increase your knowledge but also improve your talent to work any company. You can start work and you can grow in your career. So guys, without delaying, let's get started our today's video. And hey guys, so today we are going to learn about reference. As here there is some number like 24, 25, 26 and 12, 13, 14. Okay, now we are going to add it. Okay, so how it will work? We are going to multiply it. Okay. So here is a table guys. It is name, subject Hindi, English, math. Okay, so now we are going to multiply. Okay, we are going to multiply crosswise, like we will multiply first 24 to 12, then 15, the number will come here, then 24, 13. Like after dragging we will get a wrong number. When we use absolute or relative reference, then it will be fixed correctly. So how it will work? Let's try this. Is equal to this one into this one. What will we get? 28. Okay, now I'm going to drag it. So the number is something different when we fix it, like if we give here, are you watching guys? Here in fx functions formula work, if we press dollar sign, after pressing F4 it will come. And there are also other functions we can use. You can choose where your in keyboard what kind of function you have to perform to use the reference functions, like as you are seeing, after pressing F4 it became dollar sign in front of B and 6, means it has been fixed. Now the column will not change. That is called absolute reference. Are you understanding guys? And I will clear it in my next videos after having so many concepts on this. Just keep in mind that after putting dollar sign it will be fixed, that there will be no any chance to have any kind of mistake. And if you don't put this reference sign, then it will always be a mistake when you try to get out any kind of result or to try to sum, then it will not be corrected. And the next one is I'm going to tell you about that. If you want to sort, like after selecting this one, I will make a video about absolute reference and mixed reference, a detailed video about that. But for today it is a concept that when you don't apply any kind of reference, then it will be chances to make mistake, and when you apply a reference, then it is the correct method of doing any kind of calculation. So keep in that mind that, and I will make a long descriptive video about only for reference, then you can understand easily. So for today this is sort. We are going to learn about sort, how it works, sorting. So guys, after selecting this one, we are clicking right, and here is the sort. After clicking right, there will be an option sort. So in sort there are so many options, like sort smallest to largest, sort largest to smallest, put selected cell color on top, put selected font color on top, put selected cell color on top, and custom sort. There are so many options you can apply and you will get different kind of results guys. So first of all we are going to learn from basics. So here this is the first thing we are going to learn about sort is, after clicking sort, when you click smallest to largest, then what you will get? What happened? Expand the selection. It is showing expand the selection, means something is going to wrong guys. Here we have fixed some function. First of all we are going to delete this one and just keep one number. After selecting, right click, sort smallest. What happened? Are you watching, guys? It worked. It is working. What happened? Are you seeing the result? It sort smallest to largest, means 12 was the smallest number, 12, then bigger than 12 is 24, bigger than 24 is 25, and the largest is 26. So it sorted. And so when you select where you want to sort, you just have to select that cell, and now you will have to right click, then sort, then largest to smallest. It is coming. Expand the selection. You don't have to worry, just sort, and it has been done. Are you watching, guys? 26, the largest number, is in the first, then 25, 24, 12, and the smallest number is linear. And let's practice the filter formula. And there are so many things that if you have colored, suppose you have colored this cell, this one like that. After selecting, you have okay. Let's try this one, how it works. Sort, put selected cell color on top. Are you watching, guys? Are you observing what I have done here? I have selected green color, and there was a written syntax that if you select the cell where you want to sort, that will come on the top. So the green have come on the top. 26 and 12, there was 2 cells of green color. It came on top. How it works? By coloring. If you select yellow, okay, after selecting yellow, we are going to sort and put the selected cell color on top. Are you watching, guys? Both yellow color cell came on the top. How it works? So you can also do this kind of things. And in text, how it works? Filter. Now we are going to like that. You can also apply and try the font color on the top, selected, put selected color on the top, select a cell icon. So you can also put one kind of bullets and icon that will be represent on the top like the color. And how filter works. Are you watching, guys? What happened? Filter means after selecting, if you click right and then filter, and then filter, you can apply filter cells value, filter cells color, filter selected font color. There are so many options. And after applying filter, it is the a funnel type image will come that yes, you have applied. After clicking here, you will get all the numbers here what were in the cell, and when you try to select, it will come naturally. The name is also coming, and after applying the remaining number, it will also come. So here you can do this kind of things if you want to work in company, or if you want to practice, just try to practice where you can apply filter. Go Google it, that after knowing this kind of function, that yes, it is working like that. Just try to Google it how and where we can apply filter function, sort function, and have an idea about reference. as there will be so many concept available in Google that you should do, you should, that kind of concept you will get from the online searching about referencing. But until I give ideas about that physical practical knowledge, you are not going to learn in a practical way. So just have a concept from Google and anywhere, chat GPT or anywhere you can search, and the next video I will try to do it practically, so it will be in your mind how can it works. So guys, for today's video, so for today this is enough, a short 5-minute video. You can also practice throughout the weekend, throughout the week, without having any extra effort or pressure. Just try practicing. Thank you. Bye bye.